Struggling to write product reviews that actually sell? Many beginners get stuck trying to capture benefits and features in a compelling way. Writing product reviews can feel tedious, but AI can do most of the heavy lifting. Watch as ChatGPT produces multiple review drafts in moments. You can pick and tweak the best one for your site. Having a ready draft saves hours and gives you a professional looking review in no time. But a draft alone isn't enough. The AI Business Builder Challenge shows you how to take these reviews and turn them into fully functioning pages that help you sell affiliate products effectively without guesswork. Joining the challenge also gives you bonuses like the silent marketer strategy to reach large audiences and the copy and paste AI command database to save even more time creating content. Stop spending hours writing reviews. Let AI speed up the process. The AI Business Builder Challenge shows you how to transform these drafts into pages that convert. And it's just $17 to get started. Check the description to join today.